Welcome to the Siemens FastP hearing aid tutorial. Please follow the steps in this tutorial to correctly assemble your FastP hearing aid. Open the box. Please note that the Siemens seal has been broken because we check all products before sending. Now open the hearing aid case and take the items out. First, I will explain what each item is. These parts were in the pink plastic bag. These are 3 different sized earplugs for different sized ears. Please choose whichever earplug size is appropriate for you or your child. Small, medium, or large. This is the elbow connector. This is the tube. This is the Siemens FastP hearing aid. And this is the size 13 hearing aid battery. To assemble your hearing aid, first connect the elbow connector with the tube. It is slippery and difficult, so make sure to first align the tube with the connector, then push firmly to put it on. You may need to adjust your grip and push again. Keep pushing until it is all the way in, up to the elbow. Next, choose whichever earplug size is appropriate and attach it to the elbow connector. Before you continue, look at the hearing aid. You will need to cut the tube to the right size, bearing in mind that you will need an additional 3 mm for the tube to connect onto here properly. Now you can put the hearing aid on your ear, so it is resting comfortably across the top of your ear like this. Then insert the earplug with the connected tube into your ear. Hold them together and take them off your ear to see where you will need to cut the tube to fit your ear. Remember to include 3 mm and make a note with your fingers where you can cut. Then cut the tube carefully. Attach the tube to the hearing aid. Adjust your grip and push firmly until the tube is all the way on. Next, open the battery door all the way out and place the battery in. Then take off the orange protective film. After closing the battery door, now your hearing aid is ready for use. To adjust the volume, press this button to increase the volume and this button to decrease the volume. Your hearing aid has 3 different modes to make your hearing experience more comfortable and natural. You can switch between indoor, outdoor, and noise modes by holding down the top button for 10 seconds to switch to the next mode, and the lower button to switch to the previous mode. Use indoor mode for the quietest places, for example, when you're reading a book. Use outdoor mode when outside, and use noise mode when you're in a busy, loud place, such as a supermarket or traffic.